IPF, accelerating sustainable payments transformation. The rapidly increasing complexity of the payments ecosystem is placing extreme pressure on banks and their customers. Outdated, unsustainable payment factories cannot solve the challenges they face, nor open up the rich opportunities of running payments as a business. IPF offers a real alternative, transitioning into independence and control by providing a transparent framework that integrates with existing structures, which is extendable and flexible, cloud-native, and elastic by design, is connected to participate in the wider ecosystem, and is powered by innovative technology and a rich set of practices and expertise. It enables banks to grow their own payment solutions and prosper sustainably and self-sufficiently. By combining structured design, smart thinking, and innovative technology, IPF delivers end-to-end coverage across the payments value chain and puts leading banks truly in control. Time to move from running the line in a payment factory to growing your own in a payment greenhouse. Lift your payments operations into a sustainable future, turning your strategic options into business opportunities. Icon Solutions, Paytech for grown-ups.